Muromteplovoz Open Joint Stock Company is a dynamically developing enterprise involved in creation, production, testing, servicing, capital maintenance, and modernization of new technology. Modernization of the wheeled and caterpillar armored vehicles in the course of capital maintenance has currently become the main activity of the enterprise. The BRDM-2, BTR-60 and BTR-70 have been well-proven wheeled armored vehicles in service of many armed forces of the world. Their main deficiencies are the GAZ-41 and GAZ-49 type petrol carburetor engines. The Muromteplovoz Open Joint Stock Company has done construction work to create sample vehicles equipped with the high-resource engines of the Yaroslav Motor Factory. The modernized sample of the BRDM-2 Combat Reconnaissance Vehicle is equipped with a 160 horsepower YMZ E534 diesel engine in order to keep maximum speed and provide for higher traction dynamic characteristics. A multiplier making out unit with 5-stage gearbox is utilized. The use of the diesel engine required installation of the cooling block and an air filter of higher capacity. The motor section contains a high-speed anti-fire system and a system of engine pre-start warm-up. From the top, the motor section is covered with a removable armored cap, which has hatches for servicing units and dampers for the air inflow. The diesel engine unified installation scheme is used for the modernized BTR-60 and BTR-70 vehicles. Instead of 2 petrol engines, there is a 5-stage gearbox YMZ 236 diesel engine, a cooling block, a hydropower steering, a G290 Type 2 generators block, and a powerful air cleaner are all set on one unified frame. The YMZ 236 diesel engine with the capacity of 180 horsepower through 230 horsepower is upgraded with the purpose of providing for the reliable service of a wheeled combat vehicle overcoming climbs and descents of up to 30 degrees. For the rational moment to be transferred to the driving bridges and the water flow engine, there is a centralized distribution gearbox of a specific design. Access to engine servicing is provided from both the side of the crew section and the hatches and the removable armored cap of the motor section. The specific feature of the diesel engine arrangement is that the effective volume of the crew section is maintained completely, which is important for the BTR-60 PB modification, as well as that the upgrade of the armored vehicle bodies is reduced to a minimum and does not require any special technological equipment. In accordance with modern requirements, all modernized wheeled vehicles have double contour brake systems and upgraded driver seats. At the customer's request, the vehicles can be equipped with modern means of radio communication, navigation, air conditioning, and fire extinguishing. The multi-purpose MTLB Caterpillar transporter tractors are the most popular Caterpillar vehicle of the Russian Federation's armed forces. In the course of modernization performed by the Muromteplovoz Open Joint Stock Company, the vehicle acquired new qualities. Due to the installation of more powerful ammunition, a new Caterpillar light armored vehicle has been created, which has no parallel in terms of cross-country capability and mobility in mountainous and off-road conditions. In the 6MA version, the vehicle is armed with the 14.5mm KPVT machine gun, twin-mounted with a 6.62mm PKTM machine gun. Combat ammunition makes from 500 to 2500 rounds accordingly. The elevation angle of up to plus 60 degrees allows to fire at low-flying targets and mountainous targets. Apart from a driver, the crew section can accommodate 7 fully equipped paratroopers. In the 6MB version, the vehicle has even more powerful armaments: a 30mm 2A72 or 2A42 automatic cannon, twin-mounted with a 6.62mm PKTM machine gun. Combat ammunition makes from 500 to 2500 rounds accordingly. The elevation angle is up to plus 70 degrees. The night vision active-passive type aiming complex allows to perform reconnaissance and engage light-armored and low-flying targets at night. Under a customer's request, the turrets can be equipped with an AG-17 or AG-30 grenade launchers, electric drives, and a dependent vertically and horizontally ammunition stabilizing system. The 6MA and 6MB types turret machine gun units, unified by the overall joining dimensions, can also be used in the course of modernization of the BRDM-2, the BTR-60PB, and the BTR-70 vehicles. The Muromteplovoz, in cooperation with other defense complex enterprises, has been continuously improving the armament complexes and is ready to offer to the customer the most modern developments in this field. For the purpose of carrying out engineering tasks, a universal road earth-moving machine has been created on the basis of the MTLB. It has a bulldozer, variable angle mold board, and the capacity to put it into a grader position. The most vulnerable elements of the hydro equipment on the outside of the vehicle are armor protected. In conditions of possible enemy fire, the excavator operator will continue to work protected by the armor of the vehicle's interior. The excavator can also be operated by a remote control panel. The vehicle is capable of river crossing with a depth of up to 14 meters, as well as being transported on the Mi-26 helicopter outside suspension or inside the Il-76 and An-22 cargo airplanes. The modernized samples of the wheeled and caterpillar technology presented to you have undergone a complete cycle of tests, including those performed on the basis of the Defense Ministry testing centers, the 21st and the 38th Research and Testing Institutes. The vehicles have been repeatedly exhibited at international exhibitions of arms and armed vehicles in Omsk, Nizhny Tagil and Moscow. The Muromteplovoz Open Joint Stock Company, together with the Rosoboron Export, invite you to look at old vehicles through new eyes.